Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, I would like to talk about a link. Chainlink targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, like usual, everything pre-planned before, and you see how they prepare us for the AFRIA stage in the market, and the top of the market will be ETFs on alts, many alts. I think they will start to approve many ETFs at high prices, and for retailers it's going to be like a signal, green signal, so buy now, even for institutional, even for the big guys. And it doesn't mean we will crash it down immediately after that. No, I think we'll be a little bit extended in time, and they need time to fix the profit, but before they need to build some playground for that distribution. Take a look. This is a list of potential based on the Bloomberg analytics and insiders. This is a list of potential altcoins, ETFs, which can be approved this September or October. Fun. How everything pre-planned before. Why not in summer, for example? Why not in winter? No, they need to run and approve or deny, maybe, if they need some fight around these ETFs. Exactly when the BTC dominance yields go down. BTC hit new all-time high, for example, in October, and after that they need to step by step approve the ETFs. And many tokens from this list, guys, first of all, never reached the new all-time high. But imagine the hype around the Bitcoin Cash. The SHIB, once again, the Shiba Inu to $1 because of ETF approved. The Polkadot to $70. The Link, yes, maybe will hit the new all-time high. HBAR, Hedera, Hashgraph probably will hit the new all-time high. Cardano, based on the hype, probably yes. XRP, probably yes, will hit one more all-time high. Avalanche, I'm not sure. So you see, they need to build the background to bring the FOMO. That's why we get a time now for accumulation, but we need to build a plan where to distribute our bags and our investment spot position step by step together with this whales. Based on this chart on Link, yes, we get a chance to hit $76. It sounds like so high, but guys, from this current price, this is only a 300% gains. It's not a big deal. From that low, it's like 1,400. So this is it, and it's not like crazy gains here. 1,500% gains will be a $76 for Link, new high. And now a lot of people will draw the head and shoulder pattern. So we have to go to 0 because of this size of head and shoulder, which should drop, I don't know, to $5 to $4. I don't think so. It will happen. Of course, we'll leave the AQL lows. This is what I don't like. Some bullish guys always draw these trend lines. Like we hold the line. We should skyrocket to the moon. But guys, everything will be delivered in time. August can be this consolidation, for example, and pump in September, October. Or we can go down once again to test this line, even with a drop, after that bounce again and go higher. So now I think, and I will repeat again. So one of these months, August or September will be red, with some bad geopolitical news, with some FUD around, with some some maybe rumors about something, some regulation. And after that, they will solve everything by magic, and we'll go higher to the main target. So the main target for Link is 34, 38, and new all-time high. Yes, I believe that Link will hit the new all-time high. This is one of not so many tokens, which I think got a potential. And what do we get now? This is accumulation based on A to Z indicator. So this is not a distribution, not time to sell, not time to out. This was a long consolidation. By the way, the Link moves so accurate. I don't know why, but it moves so accurate and playing out pretty good one. So this was accumulation, this is accumulation. After that, we didn't see any accumulation by whales based on direction indicator. So like conclusion, my targets is here. When it's hard to say, August or September. BTC dominance should drop to 60%, even 55, and even 48, for example, and alts should perform. So just a matter of time when the link will hit this target. So I think 27 block like accumulation still the same. People waiting there. Some black swan, so something should happen. Some bad should happen on the market, so we should dump. But guys, like I explained it before, so the black swan is not necessary, so it should happen every single cycle. And black swan, it's not what's everybody waiting for and ready, sit in stable coins and waiting the black swan to fill their bags with the altcoins. So it's always about an actions too. So you accumulate the token or not. A link, I guess, if you're scared enough now to buy, you can wait the lower targets. But for example, you can buy 18, after that test of this block like 11, and some of this range 8 and 4, 8 and 5, for example, 3 orders if you scared now. And after that, you can wait a continuation. Of course, local is, so this is what I don't like. Locally on a daily, it was a signals to distributor bags. Of course, that's why we can't know. It will be the September red one or August. If August, guys, $15 and the trend line, 11. So even at 11, maybe I will buy the link or open position, So this is a distribution. We formed some divergence on a daily. And there is some bullish signal now on ADZ on a daily. That's why it's kind of weird how everything pre-planned before by media. It's okay if everything pre-planned before by on a chart. But how they treat people with the news, everything in time. So it's kind of weird. It's absolutely weird. And once again, everybody waiting the Fed start cut rate, start printing money. For what? Why do they have to print the money? Everything okay in the United States. They don't need to print the money. They approve the law with the stable coins. So here is the money. Here is a printed digital money from the air. They don't even spend dollars for the paper to print the money. So it's just mind blowing, right? So everybody wait the new billions, trillions print. And nobody know why. Why do they have to print the money? Because the people wait the same story like in COVID dump, when they give you just the dump money and the people gamble with the alts. Now situation absolutely different. There is no some hard regulation, and we get a lot of stable coins in the market. Still not use it for investment. Do you think they print the stable coins for what? Just for stable coins? Of course not. Of course not. So here, this is optimism. Optimism, but not disbelief. Does it looks like a double bottom for a link? Probably. But anyway, guys, even if it's a double bottom or not, all these patterns we can open on different time frames. The main goal is liquidity. Pull here, 0.5 level by FIP of global FIP since 2021. So this is optimism, not a free and nothing, still nothing. And somebody accumulated a link for some propose for long run. For long run, I mean for the next 4 or 5 months. Here was a money outflow, 1, 2, 3 money outflow. RSI bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence. Now we're at the top. That's why I wish to see the drop again to at least $15 or trend line and new money inflow. The last money inflow been here in August 24 on the weekly. Daily, also take a look. The fixation. So this is a local fixation. That's why, yes, of course, technically we break the local daily structure, yes. And if we talk about impulse, like this one. So we should drop to 1558, 1448. So this blocks. Even better if we drop to the 78 level by FIB to test the trend line. By timing, it's hard to say. I don't know. Here with a week, it can be September, August. That's why, guys, 15 comfortable price to buy. Even now, okay time to buy. But better waits the money inflow on a daily time frame. So this is my conclusion for Link. Like global targets, yes, I believe we're gonna hit the new all-time high for Link. Sell on the daily, no signal to buy. Only sale, but buybacks. No main signal to buy yet. And the last one is take profit, guys. So this is most interesting. This is what I wish to see. I wish to see the test of the buy line. Buy line on the daily. Now it's $10.54. I don't think so. We're gonna test it now at $10, but lines are dynamic. And that time, I don't know, maybe in August, at the beginning of August, it can be higher. Also here as a daily time frame, 10, 22, and 12 time frame. Like you can see, the lines start curve up. So the lines are dynamic. Let's add alert to the link. Take profit buy line. And I wish to see the buy line like now it's $10.23. But let's say in the next few days, would be good to see something like this one. So 15, 13, and test of the trend line. If not, of course, guys, the reward is open much, much higher. If we check the global chart, this one, we also didn't test the buy line. Buy line now it's 10.52. Take profit 20.84. Exit line 23.66. So that's it, guys. I don't think so. This is a like head and shoulder pattern. No, I don't think so. The people mislead the information now about the charts. Also, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to $7 buy line on a monthly. No, I think we'll go higher. 12 time frame, 10, 22. I don't know what should happen to the link, so we drop like 40%. No, I think the order will be open, but when, it's hard to say. So the best case scenario, it's a consolidation here and go higher. So that's it. Write please in the comment, guys, what are your thoughts about a link. If you would like to trade as my customer yourself, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.